up here, you feel like you're on top of the world.
We're in these ruins, the Origin, as he keeps saying, and not many come here. We're Alex and Lindsay. We're two travelers who were exploring South America. Suddenly, a strict lockdown began in Peru, and we've been stuck ever since. Along the way, we took in a stray dog, and he hasn't left our side. It's been months, and we're still here, so we're documenting the whole experience and sharing it with you. So we're about to go somewhere really special.
We don't know where yet, though, really.
Someone reached out and only really talked to Lindsay, so I'm just here for the ride.
I know that we're going on an 1.5-hour drive and then a half-hour hike up to see sunset, so can't go wrong with that.
All right, let's go meet our host and get a ride.
Hi, my name is Miky and I am a tour guide. Today you're going to have a very nice experience where the origin is, right where Manco Cápac and Mama Oyo put the gold bar on earth. Let's go.
All right, we just arrived. Look at the landscape. Look at those mountains back there and all around.
We just drove 40 minutes and we can see the back of the mountain that we're going to right now. And we're gonna hike about a half-hour up. This is a mountain that not a lot of people who visit Cusco get to see. It's gonna be a spectacular view. We're so excited.
So this is kind of a hidden gem, one of those experiences that we like to try to get. Nature, we miss this.
We don't have to worry about COVID here. You can see the moon.
Mr. Potato Head!
Did it work?
Mr. Potato Head!
This one, what is it called?
The
Ausangate, that's the highest. Ausangate.
Ausaugat.
And the second highest one
Ausangate?
is Salcantay, and we're going to get to see it too. We're going to be in a place where we can see in 360 degrees everything that surrounds Cusco.
Wow. Can't wait for that.
So this is ichu. It's a type of grass and it only grows at 4,000 meters above sea level. And we're just surrounded by it. By the time we get up to the top, we're gonna be 4,100 meters above sea level.
Wow, look at the view already. We're not even close to the top yet.
A lot of sidewalks that were part of the Great Cápac.
He said this is part of the Inca Road. Oh my gosh.
Wow. So this is a waka here. So a waka is a place of worship, kind of like a temple in a way. And it's where people of importance would meditate, get closer to God. And here we are.
Hola, buenas tardes.
Wow, look at it. That is a steep drop, if you can't tell. So for a little bit, we're leaving the waka and we're going up to the highest point.
There's something about just being out in nature when there's no one else around. Pretty spectacular. You guys come to Cusco, not during COVID. There's gonna be lots of tours being offered, probably in a lot of bigger groups. But we would recommend going in the smaller groups, spending a little extra money to do that. It really enhances the experience a lot.
Look at that. The beginnings.
And guys, one of the best parts about this tour, they let us take Mr. Potato Head with. So he gets to be part of this experience with us.
Look at this view. That's what I mean.
It's like a 360 view.
We're here on the top at 4,100 meters above sea level. This is the top of Mountain Wanakawri, and according to the legend of Manco Cápac and Mama Ocllo, this is the place where they came and buried the gold bar. So, because it was the gods' command, they looked at the beautiful valley and they said, yeah, we have to found our empire here. So if that legend was true, this is where they decided to found Cusco.
Look at the view of these mountains over here. Perfect.
Apacheta here for the Incas is the highest part of a place where you go through. In Apachetas, we leave all bad vibrations, all bad thoughts we may have, and we are ready to go to a sacred place.
So I have these 2 stones from here, and I'm gonna leave all the bad energy behind.
Nice.
So guys, I would have gotten a lot more amazing drone shots for you, but something is wrong with the drone. Hoping we can fix it so we can get a lot more in Peru when we start traveling, but something is very wrong and it just dives down whenever it wants, straight into the ground.
Ok, así que podemos separar, hacer un poquito.
So we just got done stretching and soaking in this beautiful scenery in the moment, and they set up this perfect little date spot for us to enjoy the view. They brought 2 chairs, and like we said, this was a half-hour hike, so they brought this up here. They brought
A tent.
some champagne,
Oh, wow.
and he's gonna make us some coffee, and we're gonna sit and just take in this view.
Take a seat, mademoiselle.
He doesn't know what to think of all this. While we were stretching, he was whining. He's probably like, what are you guys doing? Also, we found out how inflexible we are.
Also, would like to share with you a special treat, because you deserve it. I can feel a lot of love in the air, and you have to celebrate it. I wish I could.
Woo!
Yeah. Okay, push it down.
Thank you.
If you want more, we'll be there.
Wow. The
do
food is
this.
good. Thank you. This has been absolutely perfect and the greatest way to celebrate the first day without a lockdown in Cusco. They set up this cute romantic little, I can never know what to call.
Date night with a view, with a tent. It's just, we couldn't have set this up better ourselves. Like, we're in the middle of nowhere, in the hills, in the mountains.
They got us food and it has palta on it. He knows me so
It's
well.
like they know us. We have this champagne that's so good. A coffee that's even better. So there's our coffee, our fresh squeezed orange juices, so good. Champagne, our bag of dinner.
This feels like such a treat after a long 107 days of lockdown.
And it just happened to fall on this day too. We could have had this tour on any day, and it happens to be right when lockdown ended, and just the perfect ending. And this is what we're looking at right now. Cheers, Cusco. So that's Cusco down there.
When you're up here, you feel like you're on top of the world. You are above everything, just looking down, soaking up the majesty of this place. And actually, one of my favorite parts is that you can see the moon just glowing above you.
Wow. You can see the moon right there, and right across the way, the sun. So we've had an awesome date, champagne, food, dinner. We were served under a tent. Really amazing. But the best part is we're in this waka. We're in these ruins, the Origin, as he keeps saying. And not many come here. And even the locals don't really know much about this place.
And what's really cool to do when you're in spaces like this is to sit and envision what the people way back then, many years ago, how they felt when they were in this exact same space. So this place has a lot of significance in Cusco, if the legends are true.
So right up on this hill over here where we just were, that is supposedly where they decided long ago that Cusco would be. So they set Cusco here as they came over this pass. Potato. Hey guys, we can only do so much on YouTube, and we only put out a video every 2 or 3 days. So if you want more, if you want daily stuff, you should head to Instagram. Find us at Alexander Travel Bum. And that's where you'll find daily stories and photos about our travels. Hey, thanks for making it all the way through this video. If you want to watch more, click one of these videos. Subscribe, because I'm traveling all around the world and I'm sharing the whole thing with you. Thanks.